Max, everyone asks, how long to become fluent? Can you really do it in 3 months?
Yes, but with massive caveats. Let me explain what 3-month fluency actually means.
Today, we're sharing a realistic 3-month intensive plan that works.
First, let's define fluent. We don't mean perfect or native level English.
Fluent means holding conversations comfortably, understanding most content, expressing complex ideas.
You'll still make mistakes, still have accent, still learn new words, but you can function in English.
Now, the requirements for 3-month fluency.
Requirement 1, you need at least intermediate starting level. If you're absolute beginner, you need 6 to 9 months.
You should already know basic grammar, 1,000 to 2,000 words, simple sentences.
Requirement 2, you must commit to 4 to 6 hours daily of focused English practice.
That's like a part-time job. You can't do this casually and expect 3-month results.
Requirement 3, you need immersive practice, including real conversations with speakers.
Textbooks alone won't get you there. You need real-world use.
Let's break down the 3-month plan week by week.
Weeks 1 to 2, intensive input phase. Your goal is massive exposure.
2 hours reading daily, novels, articles, anything interesting at your level.
2 hours listening daily. Podcasts, shows, audiobooks, a mix of content.
1 hour shadowing daily. Repeat native speakers to train your mouth.
1 hour vocabulary building, but from context, not random lists.
These first 2 weeks flood your brain with English patterns.
Weeks 3 to 4. Add intensive output. Now you start producing more.
Keep the input from weeks 1 to 2, but add speaking practice.
30 minutes daily of speaking practice. Language exchange, talking to yourself, recording yourself.
30 minutes daily of writing. Journal, blog posts, social media in English.
You're now balancing massive input with regular output.
Weeks 5 to 6, conversation immersion phase.
This is crucial. You need 1 to 2 hours daily of real conversations.
Language exchange apps, online tutors, Discord communities, meetups if available.
You'll be uncomfortable. You'll make mistakes. That's the point.
Through conversation, you discover what you don't know and need to improve.
Weeks 7 to 8, specialized practice based on your weaknesses.
By now, you know your problem areas. Pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary gaps.
Dedicate focused time to your specific weak points.
Also start using English for real purposes, work tasks, hobbies, research.
English becomes a tool, not just a study subject.
Weeks 9 to 10, fluency polish phase.
Focus on smoothness, naturalness, reducing hesitation.
Max, practice thinking in English 24/7 if possible.
Zara, record yourself weekly and compare to week 1. The progress will be obvious.
Weeks 11 to 12, real-world application and confidence building.
Zara, use English in every possible real situation.
Max, online gaming in English, watching complex content, reading news, discussing topics you care about.
Zara, by week 12, you should be functionally fluent for daily life.
Max, now let's discuss what this plan requires sacrifice-wise.
Zara, you'll have less time for entertainment in your native language.
Max, your social life might suffer temporarily if friends don't support your goal.
Zara, you'll be mentally exhausted many days from constant English exposure.
Max, but remember, it's only 3 months. Intense, but temporary.
Zara, let's address, is this plan realistic for everyone?
Max, honestly, no. If you have full-time work and family, 4 to 6 hours daily is nearly impossible.
Zara, but you can adapt. Maybe 2 to 3 hours daily for 6 months instead of 3 months.
Max, the principle remains. Massive, consistent practice leads to fluency.
Zara, let's share our 3-month intensive experiences.
Max, I did a 3-month challenge between jobs. I went from struggling with conversations to comfortably discussing complex topics.
Zara, I did it during summer break from university. My speaking confidence transformed completely.
Max, the key is consistency. Missing days breaks momentum and extends timeline.
Zara, final encouragement and reality check.
Max, 3-month fluency is possible, but requires sacrifice and dedication most people aren't willing to make.
Zara, that's okay. Better to take 6 to 12 months sustainably than burn out trying to do it in 3.
Max, speed isn't everything. Consistent progress matters more than intense sprints.
Zara, but if you can commit for 3 months, the results are absolutely achievable.
Max. All right, everyone, are you willing to commit 4 to 6 hours daily for 3 months?
Zara,
Comment your commitment level. 3 months intensive or longer sustainable.
Max.
See you in the next video.
Zara,
Fluency awaits the committed.